Next up, the man who disappeared. This is a relatively difficult quest. The first thing you'll be doing is grabbing a passport from the tent at spawn. So wherever you are, check the command tent where you usually pick up suitcases and flash drives and things like that, and you'll find a passport that you need to pick up. Once you have this, you'll need to make your way all the way across to Midnight Sapphire, and in here, fight your way into this hotel. You can do this solo, just make sure you clear out the entire hotel first before you're able to do this kind of mission. I came in from the southwest and it was relatively easy to clear it out all by myself. When we get up here, we'll need to come into the main entrance either from the ramp over here or from the stairs around the back, pretty much smack dab in the center over here. When you do so, you'll find this little counter over here by reception. Simply come across to it on the northwest side and you'll find this pile of passports. Place the passport that you brought from spawn right over here, and just like that, you'll have the main objectives for the quest complete. The last thing to do is to head all the way back to spawn and hand it in. So that was the man who disappeared. For Handshake, thank you all for watching. Mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.